I'd missed results that were happening overnight. Trades were passing me by that would have been potentially profitable because of the American trading sessions being overnight while I was sleeping.
This conference has been like mind-blowing. It has shown me things that no other conference has ever shown me, gone into the depth of it.
Excited to see all of them, but Trevor Neal mostly because I'm an avid Bloomberg watcher, so that's pretty much self-explanatory.
Kerry's very good. I guess when he talked about his seasonality, that really made the difference, where you can trade in different times and also different markets. When I think about trading, I don't think about all those, other factors. And so it's broadened my thinking. He's very good to listen to.
Like I said before, I have no background in programming or anything, but now I can pretty much have an idea or get an idea from somewhere, like a podcast or something, and I can pretty much get home, write it out myself, and pretty much test it within the same night. Which I thought I'd never really be able to do.
This would have to be by far the best. To actually hear from traders who have made a real life out of trading, and professional traders, and what their thoughts are, what their perception of FX is, and how they approach it, was really refreshing, because I know they're professionals, so I'm getting the real deal, and very valuable information.